So you've got loads and loads of ideas. Now you've got your plan, you've got your setting, you've got your ghost character. You might have made up other characters. The only thing left to do is to write your ghost story. So good luck with that. What I want you to think about as you're writing is using lots of senses. Senses bring your words to life for the reader. So think about what you can see, hear, smell, touch, taste. Make sure your story builds to the main event. As I said earlier, it needs to start small and get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger until it gets to that climax, that crisis point. Think about personal experience. So when you're an author, I haven't seen a ghost. I'm glad I haven't seen a ghost. But if I want to write scary, then I'll think about things that have scared me. So for instance, I'm quite scared of spiders. So when I see a spider, what do I feel like? What does it do to my heart? What does it do to my body? How can I write that into another scary scene? So I think back to something that I've experienced myself and put that into my story. Same if you're writing a funny story, think about what makes you laugh, because that might make somebody else laugh. I think you should use your own sense of humour. Be as individual as you possibly can. Use your own voice, and good luck with it. I can't wait to see them. Happy writing!